Here's my bill. All right. So far, so good. So far, so good. Oh. Oh. Taking that stupid thing off, I made a mess. I'm wiping the floor with my interior detailer. A little bit. Now I'm assembling again. That's pretty sharp looking. The bottle feels good. It's subtle. Hello, car lovers. Today I'm going to review this right here. It's called Clean by Pan the Organizer, right? It's the interior quick detail. I ordered this online from the House of Rags. I'm going to review this product right here on this Volkswagen Jetta 2025. It's my girlfriend's car, and of course all tests are done on my girlfriend's car. No, of course not, it's a joke. But here we go to review this product. What to say? Well, there's a lot of things to say about this product. I haven't tried it yet. In general, let's just read what it says. All right, so it's an interior quick detailer, and there seems to be like a color coding system, right? So this is like kind of like a taupe, right? And it's kind of, I guess when you buy all his products, you're going to put them all in a line and you'll know quickly which one to get. All right, so yeah, that works for me. Let's read what it says. Interior quick detailer is the ultimate maintenance solution for your vehicle's interior, combining light cleaning with UV protection in a single step. That's what we all want from an interior cleaner. Infused with advanced ceramic polymer technology, it enhances surfaces with a natural matte sheen, free of greasy or glossy residue. That's what I want, all right? I want that. Safe for most interior materials, including plastics, vinyl, leather, so you can do your seats with that. Infotainment screens, that's kind of interesting. Gloss black trim, interesting too. Glass, chrome, and even open pore wood. It is pH neutral, fast flashing formula, leaves no buildup or streaks. I don't know what fast flashing means. I guess it means once you rub it on, it kind of like sets right away quickly. With other anti-static properties, that's interesting. And no forever chemicals. It's safe for existing protections and ideal for monthly or daily use. So daily use for those of you who have a problem in your head, and for monthly use is for the rest of us. I think monthly use is kind of like, what I think they're doing here is that usually dust accumulates on your dash after a month, and that's when you should be wiping it down anyway. At the same time, squirt on your microfiber and get that done. All right, instructions. Cleans and protects in one step. Use once a month for light cleaning and protection. This is an interior detailer, so it's not a substitute for a dedicated protection. So there's no spraying this on and then coming back to it every month, all right, and not using the product for like years. You got to use this product at least once a month for it to maintain, I guess it's UV properties, and kind of like to avoid the cracking, right, that occurs over the time and the discoloration. So it says here, shake well, test on a small inconspicuous area first, spray directly onto the microfiber towel to avoid overspray on other surfaces. So you don't want to be a chump and just spraying everywhere and it just sprays all over the place. Spray it on your microfiber first, wipe evenly across the surface, flip the towel to a dry side and buff to a streak-free finish. All right, so I think that last step is important. So I have here a reasonable quality microfiber. I'm gonna bring the camera in close so we can see how to do this, all right? All right, so let's go look at the results in depth with the GoPro, and you can judge for yourself whether this is doing the job or not. Let's go. Let's take a close-up look at here. So there really isn't any gloss. It's a very matte finish. Was easy to apply on. And none of that sticky residue. You notice I put some on the steering wheel and the steering wheel feels just fine. So that's really what I think is a good product. So, Clean by Pan the Organizer Interior Quick Detail. Pretty good stuff.